Tired of being too tired to wake up from your alarm? Introducing the Silent Alarm Clock, the ultimate wake-up call that's both smart and sharp. Our innovative clock takes waking up to a whole new level that nobody can sleep through. Just place the alarm clock 6 to 10 feet above your bed. That's it. In the morning, you'll be met with a heavy surprise. This isn't your typical alarm clock. It's a clock that evolves into a unique training method, motivating you to wake up before the clock falls on you every morning. Thanks to NASA technology, the clock can indirectly give you heightened reflexes, teach you self-defense, and push you to unlock your sixth sense. Say goodbye to waking up on the wrong side of the bed and say hello to becoming the wrong side of the bed. Sleep smart, wake sharp, because the best mornings start with a smarter alarm. A silent alarm clock may be illegal in some countries.